Hey, Henry McClure live. That council chamber's hot. This is cold. Hope that's not like a hitman they got in there waiting for me. You never know. Topeka, it's a rough town. Okay, so this street is Monroe. That street right there is 8th. I'm at 8th and Monroe. Now come over here and look at this. Let's say it's a busy city council meeting. Some out-of-town guy gets here late. Look at this. 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 I mean, look at it. Look at that. Look at this. I mean, come here and look at this. Look at it. Look at this. These look like cow pies out on the farm. Woo, I gotta get in here. Woo. It's cold.
It's like the Super Bowl, bring out America's CD.
Oh.
Got actors look at these men.
Yeah. Okay, here, I gotta turn this off. I'll get a code violation. Hey. Okay. So let me turn on the studio lights. Maybe I can get some lights on in here. Oh, man. Okay, so $3.5 million in design fees. $3.5 million in design fees to go to Huntoon, to shrink Huntoon down. But look at this. I mean, can you see the... So there's an out-of-town guy, comes to town, can't find a parking place, parks over here, and he looks at the street, right? Look at all that. Look at that. So if I'm not from Topeka, I'm looking... Look at this, the city. Look at this. Look at the parking spots. I mean, this is a representation of what Topeka really is. You savvy? Uh-oh, Robin. I'm driving. I'm not... Nobody's up. Nobody's down here. But we don't take care... We've got the worst values in city government. We do. Look at what's happening on a nationwide basis. You may hate Elon Musk, you may hate Trump, but you may hate paying real estate taxes. You may hate paying income tax. It's just getting squandered. And it's even worse in Topeka. We're taxing people out of their houses. They can't afford to live there. We don't have $3.5 million, but government doesn't have to live by the same rules. They're like alcoholics. That was my analogy tonight. You know, you gotta, in a town like Topeka, you gotta bring up recovery. Because anytime you misbehave, they'll go, oh, he's drinking again. Because we've got a bunch of assholes in this town. Oh, yeah, he's crazy. No, not really. I told him I thanked him for letting me talk tonight because I don't have to pay for a psychiatrist. I get to work it out. And you know something? I look at Padilla, Mike. He's a nice guy. He's trying. He just, you know, he got in over his head. The Peter principle. And I appreciate Spencer wanting to cut down the size of the sidewalk. I should have told him that Huntoon project, I'm gonna benefit from it personally. Then they wouldn't have voted for it. Anyway, I think I'm down at the glass house now. I think it's time for a good hot shower. Change some clothes. Cash Patel. That's what I'm doing. Here we get outside. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I have one of those seat warmers. Jack that thing up on high. I'm not going to let the city of Topeka make me hate Topeka. We're going to change it. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good night.